Today I'm going to be taking a look at this BougeRV F02 fan. It's a nice portable fan that comes with an 8 amp hour battery and an AC plug, so you can run it either way and you can charge the battery in it. I was sent this so I could do the review, so let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see everything it comes with, then test it out. This is everything out of the box. You've got the manual, you've got a plug-in, so this you can plug into the wall and run the fan. That way you don't have to use the battery if you don't want. You have a USB-C cable here to charge the battery, then a battery, of course. The fan has a light over here, which is what this switch is, and if you lift this up, there is a USB-C and a USB-A output that you could plug in, like let's say your phone or some other things like that, anything that charges on those, and be able to charge your phone and everything while it's plugged into the wall or when it's running off the battery. So let's get a battery in it and test this thing out. So this is the nice big massive battery that it comes with. It looks like it uses that tool type of battery connection there. Big battery though, nice 8 amp hour. The battery snaps in the back like this. It does have these little handles here so you can hook it on things. It's got one on each side. If you're not using them, you can just slide them back in. They snap in so that way you don't have to worry about them just always popping out. The fan itself will swivel quite a bit. You can get it to move, well, that's a lot. Quite a bit of different direction there. And it's a nice size fan. As you can see, that should move quite a bit of air. It's got a handle here on the top to easily hold it. And let's try it out. So if we want to turn the light on, cool, it's like an amber color light. Oh, it's even brighter amber light. And then off. And again, this is what I was talking about with the ports. It's got a USB-A and a USB-C port. And then if you want to turn the fan on, it's got, well, kind of infinite. It just lets you move it. Even though it shows like 4 little dots there, you can move it quite a bit. Tune it in the way you want it. And that is a lot of air. That's not even all the way up. That's maybe halfway up. And that would be more than enough sitting on your workbench cooling you off. For a work fan, or even like just chilling outside here on the back patio, great fan to use. And again, it will run off of a plug or battery. So that makes it very versatile. I really like it, and I think you will too. I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.